Hey everybody, this is our 85 K10 short wide Chevy pickup Silverado. It's a factory black truck with the original build sheet still in the glove box. It's got new paint, new body side molding, original bumpers, new BFGoodrich 32 by 11.5 by 15 inch all-terrain TAs. It's got new weather strip, new paint, new bed liner, new dash pad, original door panels that have been restored. It's got a later model seat that looks amazing in here. Original steering wheel. AC blows ice cold. Original carpet. Looks great. New headliner. OverDrive transmission, 350. These trucks were originally 305s. Really nice tailgate band on this one. Spray in bed liner. All new trim, and just look down and she's just straight as she can be. Gorgeous truck. Sliding rear window. And those rally wheels really set this truck off and make it look great. Drives down the road like a dream, doesn't wander. Truck purrs like a kitten. All the lights work, signal lights, headlights, horn, reverse lights. Look at that shine. Ice cold AC. Really nice running 350 Chevy motor. Beautiful truck, original headliner, or excuse me, insulation. Just a nice truck. Like I said, originally a 5.0, now a 5.7. Y'all come see us at redlinemusclecars.com. I've got 3 of these black short wides, K10s. Call Fred at 580-221-4326. Y'all have a blessed day.